Looking what?
I think she's looking
Come on. What are you gonna say?
Why did you put your head in the oven?
What?
And why are you cooking it? And you put the clothes in the
Hey Edmer, what are you doing?
I don't know.
That's a pillow, Hello Kitty pillow, right?
This is my real head.
What?
It is.
Hi. Hi Hello Kitty. Hi. Warf. Oh, look at your shirts. It's a minion. Where are you going, little boy? With the Hello Kitty pillow at your face. Oh, I like your minion pillow. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, what are you gonna say?
Home.
Huh? What? Don't cover your face. It's Hello Kitty.
Home.
Hi. Favorite color yan ni ate mo, di ba? I favorite Hello Kitty.
That's our favorite character, Ate Chloe. I'm Hello Kitty. Please be quiet. Meow.
He's Hello Kitty daw eh. Right? Oh, meow meow. Meow meow. Tara, gisingin mo si kay Edward. Come on. Come on, tickle him. Meow meow. Rat, rat. What are you doing? You don't know? Who's that guy? Kuya Edward. Oh, there's a... Oh, with saliva of... You have saliva in there. Kaya it's wet. Yung laway mo ka nandyan. Ah, kiss the laway in there. Kaya wet ka. You're kissing it.
You're kissing it. Stop kissing it with your mustache.
Mustache? Where is his mustache? There?
I feel hair.
You feel hair, did you? How does it feel? Huh? What are you doing?
He does have a mustache.
He does?
Yes. Look, come here. Come here for a second.
Okay, I'm here.
Look.
Look. What's that? That's a mustache? Yes? And? It's wet. Okay. What's that?
It's black.
You can't see anything in there. It's all black.
All black. Black.
Do you see us?
Do you see us? Of course not. Surprise!
Black.
It's all black. Oh, this is all your toys. And they are all messed up.
It's
What's
white
that?
in black.
What are you gonna do then?
It's brown. Dirty white. I don't know.
It's gray, maybe gray.
It's drawing.
It's a drawing.
No, it's me.
Can I see the drawing? Who drew that,
Who did
Edmer?
This?
Yeah.
You?
You did this?
The girl.
The girl? You
You
did
did
the
that?
girl?
No.
Who
No.
did that?
The girl.
Who
Who
did
did
that?
Auntie Grace.
Ate Chloe.
This.
The cat. Auntie Grace one.
This.
Auntie Chloe.
And this.
Auntie Chloe.
This.
Auntie Chloe.
This.
I don't know.
Mr. Bot.
Mr.
What?
Mr. Bot.
Mr.
Where's Mr. Bob?
He farts.
He farts a lot.
Yes, in his face.
And it's...
His face like that.
Only kiss.
Work. Work, work. Okay, we're done.